Hi guys, comment below what's your favorite fruits, like that. My favorite foods is cherry. The draw, my draw. That's my draw. Only fruits. Only fruits. Okay, bye-bye. And this my color. Yan. It's my color. If only you want fruits in drawing, comment below. Look.